Assalamu alaikum and good day to everybody. This is Hasnan from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And after a long gap, I'm back live again. Uh, Let me confirm whether you can hear my sound. Okay, perfect. Okay, so today, as I think topic reflected like smart hospitals in thereof AI. So I will be sharing one of my recording of my talk. So let's watch and feel free to post your questions, your own experiences in the comment section, and I will be watching at the chat. And if I know the answer, I will be actually sharing my feedback or try to answer your questions. Okay, let me close sound. Salam, this is Hasnan Zafar, and today I will be talking on smart hospitals and how AI and technology could assist and transform healthcare. Uh, and let me share my screen. Salam, this is okay. Today, about 20 minutes, I will be actually exploring this topic, the future of AI in healthcare, and how AI and technology transforms healthcare and medical education. So, in today's talk, I will be actually exploring the current trends, how we could use immersive virtual simulation. AI could assist us in our training of residents and healthcare staff, diagnostic and problem-solving skills, how AI can really assist us, and how we could augment AI in our healthcare processes or hospital administrative tasks. And the importance of natural language processing when it comes to um, healthcare service providing. And what is Healthcare 5.0? I'll be sharing the key elements and the benefits for all stakeholders in healthcare ecosystem. Then how we could incorporate one level above than artificial intelligence, and that is agentic AI or AI agents. And I'll be sharing some of the applications of AI in healthcare and how we could leverage and get benefit from AI-enabled audio learning.
And sharpening our understanding of extreme weather events. I am a helper, guiding the blind through a crowded world.
I was thinking about running to the store.
And giving voice to those who cannot speak.
Do not make me laugh.
I am a transformer and help save lives. I am a healer, providing a new generation of cures. Brought to life by NVIDIA, deep learning, and brilliant minds everywhere.
Okay, so let me share the current landscape when it comes to AI and its emerging role in medical education or healthcare. So AI already started assisting us with a lot of administrative tasks. like automatically replying to emails, scheduling, summarizing, translation, like from one language to another language. And it also assists and support healthcare staff in clinical decision making. Some medical schools, they started using AI for designing the simulations and helping learners to assist in their diagnostic skills. And its research have shown it improves learners' preparedness. We do have some challenges like data privacy, algorithmic biasness, ethical issues, and how we can actually integrate with existing technologies or systems. So these all issues could be solved uh, by collaborating with experts. And there are a lot of open source platforms also I will be sharing later on, which could assist and overcome these challenges. Now, virtual simulation and how we could incorporate AI in immersive training environment design. So let AI uh, copy the realistic clinical scenarios, and with the help of virtual reality and augmented reality, uh, it mimic exactly real scenario or situation, and we can really copy existing clinical scenarios into a simulated environment and let residents practice in a safe environment. And it's a risk-free practice where learners and residents can make mistakes without harming patients. And this is critical for skill development. Enhance engagement for sure when you have a simulated environment, and with the help of these goggles, VR goggles, you can be really immersive and engaged uh, with yeah within the scenario. Real-time diagnostic skill and assessment using the machine learning. So with the help of AI and large data, with the assistance of experts, we can extract pattern. And AI could really save or make that these patterns uh, as a learning skill for machine learning or algorithmic, and it could really assist us. Objective evaluation, AI provides unbiased assessments for student skills, and this reduces the subjectivity in grading, but not for all assessments. And it can really help us in giving personalized feedback. And a lot of cases shown where they use AI to translate to different languages, but need to really be careful in checking whether the translated version of your diagnosis or management or treatment is accurate or not. Augmented intelligence, it actually enhances our diagnostic skills, and it helps medical practitioners. Uh, and we should use AI as a tool, not going to replace any stakeholder in a healthcare ecosystem. Focus on soft skills, yeah. So that's where humans should be concerned more, like how we could actually deliver the diagnosis given by AI or management of our disease or patient care, how we could handle that, and it assists us in critical thinking. Integrate Integration of natural language processing in medical education or healthcare, yes, it can analyze text in more accurate way and in smarter way and with high speed, as compared to human. When it comes to patient history taking, yes, if it's trained well, AI could really assist us with the help of natural language processing So it can really parse each and every word. And if we have language corpus, locally trained terminology uh, corpus, it could actually assist us really in even patient history taking. And it for sure improve comprehension. And there are a lot of relevant info which can be extracted using the natural language processing when it comes to healthcare or medical education. So I have generated this bot, and there are a lot of platforms you can generate your own bot. And I have provided 7 documents as a knowledge base for this bot, and this bot will not go those documents or knowledge base. Yes, here I would like to share one of the research, and they have proven that how AI with the assistance of chatbots and a lot of other AI related or technology related, um, implementation of AI you could find on this website. And if you can scan this QR code, you could actually get a lot of resources available on this site. This one is one of the research conducted by Google, and how they could articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer or AMIE. And they have seen here like huge amount of data was given to AI, and it could analyze the context, generate response, and even by interacting with the healthcare providers and sometimes patients, it could actually refine the response. If you want to know more about this AI research conducted by Google, you can search using this QR code. And they have shown with the help of a simulated patient, it could really improve diagnostic dialogue evaluation. And here you could see the only part where it's actually weakened was empathy. So that's where empathy and slightly lower in management of plan. So these are the two areas where our human could assist, and with the assistance of AI or computer expert system, we can overcome all these shortcomings. So it's a very good research when it comes to diagnostic dialogue across multitude of disease conditions, specialties, and patient contexts. Now, AI audio-based learning 4.0. So as we have noticed, most of the time when healthcare providers they are busy in taking care of patients, their hands are occupied with some equipments, or sometimes they are actually their hands are not free. So that's where audio-based um, uh, learning or audio-based uh, solution providing with the help of AI will be very helpful in healthcare setting. Like for example, if you ask, when we are moving into digital electronic health records or hospital information systems, so we need to key in all the data which we have captured while taking the patient history or going reviewing the files. But with the help of a audio-based input and audio-based, instructions, we could overcome all this. And these are some of the platforms which you can explore. They have provided this audio-based patient taking care, history taking, and even some of these applications can convert your conversation with the patient, uh, all that script into a clinical proper documentation, um, and we can customize all that according to the standard set by Ministry of Health. So that's another key element of natural language processing, AI, and audio-based features in hospital information systems. Now, evaluating customer experiences. So AI could assist us, or you can see in the diagram, a robot could assist virtually, and especially when it comes to mental health support, a chatbot or a robot could assist patients in managing their stress level and handling the situation. But all these implementations need to be carefully monitored and checked before rolling out on a large scale. Transforming healthcare solutions, treatment planning is very helpful. AI could assist us, and drug management, AI agents manage drug processes and free up a lot of time for the healthcare providers. When it comes to healthcare implications, cost efficient AI, open source models. So there are a lot of open source platforms and models which you can implement with no cost. You need to actually just have expertise um, locally in your hospital, which can integrate all these applications and models. Patient Seek is another application which can use open source for medical summaries. Okay. So future trends in healthcare AI diagnostic will be improved further with the help of machine learning and AI, and how we could do the precision when it comes to medication and diagnostic process. Personalized medicine, AI tailored treatment, it can analyze patient and data and improve the outcomes. And virtual assistant, as I explained in previous slide also, it could really help us. Healthcare 5.0, this is where it revolutionizing healthcare. What it includes and leverage and use AI, Internet of Things and Internet of Medical Things, robotics, big data. And once we integrate with high-speed networks, it could really help us and transforms healthcare. So these are the core elements when it comes to healthcare 5.0. We have personalized medicine. So with the assistance of DNA and genome sequencing, we can actually really uh, do the precise medicine or medication. And predictive analytics, virtual assistance, and proactive health before people or community or um, got sick, we could actually assist them in well-being. So rather than treating them their disease, we should actually not delay the process of um, let our community be sick, with the help of this proactive health and well-being. Key components when it comes to Health 5.0, robotics, AI, Internet of Medical Things, big data, and how we can incorporate it, machine learning. A lot of companies, they already implemented like IBM, Watson, oncology. If you want to go read, just Google and search about IBM Watson in healthcare. Benefits for hospitals when they implement Healthcare 5.0, improve patient outcome, uh, precision diagnosis, personalized therapies, and reduce errors, enhance patient care for sure, enhance efficiency, streamline the workflows, reduce cost, uh, and optimize resource allocation, improvement operations when we implement properly healthcare 5.0. Yes, initially we need to come up with the cost, but let me share with one of case study. If you want to know more, Estonia, they have implemented even blockchain and something similar along this healthcare 5.0. They are now saving millions of euros every year once we implement successfully and integrate all the stakeholders of healthcare ecosystem. You will really see the benefits and saving. And for sure, we will have a better experience once we can implement Healthcare 5.0 and remote monitoring, medicine, and personalized care plans is actually some of the benefits which I can highlight here. Transforming research centers. When it comes to healthcare 5.0, drug discovery, personalized or precise medicine can be developed with the help of genome or genome sequencing and research collaboration with secure data sharing and enhances teamwork. Few more real life applications and some of the examples of healthcare 5.0. Uh, G Singer helps remote monitoring, reduces readmission by 20%, and AI diagnostic with IDX, DR detects even diabetic using the retinotherapy with high accuracy. And robotic surgeries are coming in. Just to let you know, they are not like robots independently or freely doing the surgeries. Actually, it's monitored but remote surgery with the assistance of robotic arms, And in the diagram, it's explained very clearly. Sitting remotely can monitor the robotic arm remotely in a different place, and with the help of local surgeons also to assist the surgery. In drug discovery and design, mixed reality and virtual reality could assist us. And I'm sharing one of the video which will explain in detail how we could use actually 3D modeling, AI, mixed reality in drug or molecular design and drug discovery.
Companies that design molecular systems, whether in the agricultural, biopharma, chemical, or food industries, need a more effective way of understanding and communicating data. Scientific data in these industries is increasingly becoming more complex. Yet, when it comes to viewing these complex three-dimensional data, scientists still mainly use 2D monitors. And these scientists aren't always in the same place, have the same background, or use the same computational tools, risking communication issues, data loss, and delayed products to market. Choosing to use legacy interfaces is choosing to abstract away potential breakthrough insights. Nanome is the ultimate interface for science, starting with molecular data. Using modern virtual and mixed reality headsets, Nanome allows scientists, managers, and other stakeholders to bring all their data, colleagues, and computational packages in a single, seamless holographic interface. With Nanome, scientists have gained insights they would have otherwise missed. Easily facilitate real-time design, simulation, and information sharing, accelerating scientific decision-making. Integrate all your computational packages into one collaborative environment. Get your
Okay, so these are the challenges where we have to make sure data is secure by implementing blockchain and addressing the interoperability issues so we can follow some standards. You can build your own standard and apply it to national level and make sure all the stakeholders can follow those standards, and each and every system in different institutions, different hospitals, different stakeholders of healthcare ecosystem should be able to talk to each other. And ethical concerns we need to address and overcome. The future of healthcare, like continued advancement, there are a lot of new technologies will be coming in. How we could incorporate that? AI is one of the example. Increased focus on preventive care and personalized medicine will assist us and will really get benefit out of all these new implementation of technology. Um, in recently, China have explored implementing agents, AI agents, and in a hospital and sharing some of the like they have incorporated less than 20 AI staffs, and there are a lot of medical scenarios and training and research can be implemented using AI assisted chatbots or robots, and it's AI driven virtual medical systems. Okay, and let's watch the
Use
quick
code
news.
SYOK10.
Yeah, so here we have FDA approved AI-based medical technologies, and you can see in 2025 we have more than 1,000 applications approved, AI application, AI-enabled applications, and radiology is the highest number of applications. Then comes cardiovascular, neurology, hematology, and actually different domains of healthcare. AI-enabled applications are coming in. So these are the applications or companies which actually works when it comes to digital health and AI. And you can actually get all this info. I provided the site at the bottom, medical futuristic. Okay, even in US, they have approved legislatively that they have approved AI and give lessons to practice, one of the state, okay, but it need to be carefully assessed and evaluated before implementing it. And even recently, they have cracked Alzheimer's Parkinson code, and with the help of AI, they could actually coming very close to identify the reason or the gene or the cause of Alzheimer's. So this is my actually channel on Aparat, and I will be uploading a lot of videos on it. This is few more resources, just sharing with you. In summary, I started with current trend. I covered immersive virtual simulation. I emphasized how AI could actually help us in diagnostic and problem solving skills. With the help of AI and our clinicians, we can provide much better healthcare services and how we could augment. And natural language processing, there are a lot of benefits if we can provide and train our AI enable, Gen AI enable applications. And I was sharing actually Healthcare 4.0 and importance of agents and agentic AI, and shared one of the case in China where they have implemented a agent hospital where they incorporated AI robots and AI enabled applications and a virtual hospital. And I shared some of the AI healthcare applications and just emphasize on how we could leverage on AI enabled audio for better healthcare providing and learning. Thank you once again for giving me this chance to share.
Okay, so that was a recording of my talk. And let's see if you have any questions, or feel free to share your experiences. Maybe you come across with some of the applications or tools in your own setting. So do post in the comments, and do let us know how you think AI will be changing healthcare environment and in hospitals, how we could effectively use AI, right? Yes. Yeah, just confirming my sound is okay. So stay tuned and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So whenever I will come live, you will be able to get notification and you could watch. So there will be maybe few more talks I will be sharing, and feel free to comment your own experiences, and see you in my next live broadcast. Assalamu alaikum, everybody, and stay safe.